Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amjad Pervez. As chairman of JumpStart Pakistan, I'm delighted to be physically present here in Pakistan after the huge, humongous disruption that COVID has caused across the globe. And I must congratulate the government of Pakistan for managing COVID and society and the economy in a professional manner to arrive at where we are. As you are well aware, that we were supposed to have our 2021 Lift Pakistan conference, but unfortunately due to some misunderstanding and mismanagement, we are having to postpone that, and we will soon announce the dates. But we're going to carry on with our work, and the whole idea is to connect Pakistani businesses with our overseas partners, be it in Turkey, in Middle East, in United States, in Europe. So we create the growth that we need and take the market share to create economic prosperity and employment for all Pakistanis inclusively here in Pakistan. Thank you so much.